Hope to see you in Los Angeles soon.
My best advice to people starting is never say no.
Makes it so fresh is everyone's unique ability to make it their own.
Beauty used to be you were either no makeup or you were minimal or you were glam. But when you look at real life, people are all of those things at some point or another. We're looking at pop culture, celebrity culture, simply looking at the way that people apply their makeup in the real world.
And I'm putting it right in the corner of my tear duct of my nose, and I'm getting pretty generous with it.